Peace. What's going on, guys? How y'all doing? It's your boy Serrano. Welcome back to the channel, and thank you for subscribing. Now, I want to go over an unboxing of a product that Comica actually sent out to me, and we're gonna go ahead and take a look at it. It's actually right here, and they have sent out a mic to me before, and this one is actually called the CS09, which is actually a Type C. You see it has the Type C connection, and it also has a spot right here for a headphone jack, and it came with this leather case. I still kind of use this sometimes. I need to use it more, but they actually reached out to me and they sent me this Comica VS10 model right here, as you can see, and this one is actually the 3.5mm headphone jack. So I had the VS9. Now they're giving me the newest one, which is the VS10. So big shout out to Comica. These guys, you got my back 100%. I appreciate them 100%, like for real. So let's read some of the features of this thing. It says Comica CVM-VS10, microphone for GoPro, Canon, Nikon, Sony, DSLR cameras, camcorders, 3.5mm TRS condenser stereo, shotgun mic for vlogging, and actually for YouTube and recording as well. Now it's $35 here on the website. That's definitely a good price. It's got some really cool features. It's got a stereo sound effect, universal for all cameras, 90-degree angle recording, so you can adjust it as well. You can see it's set up here for, you know, like vlog style, and we're gonna go ahead and check it out. What other features do we need to know before we go ahead and open it up? It's basically if you want to perform well in selfie, podcasts, or microfilm, this is a perfect option. And it has an XY stereo microphone set up here, so you can see two microphones are extruding sound 360 degrees, and then it also does have a cardioid polar pattern right here. So I'm gonna hook this up to my Samsung Galaxy Note 8, which I'm talking from right now, and the main features are built-in shock absorption gold-plated capsule, full metal construction for excellent shield, 90-degree adjustable recording, and XY stereo dual mic for ideal audio, and mini compact flexible for GoPro camera. Alright, so now that we got all of that out of the way, now let's just go ahead and take a look at this thing. I mean, what else are we gonna do, right? So they ordered it from Amazon and shipped it to me, and then I guess they just like sent it to me for free from Amazon. So I'm gonna leave a link down below, but right here it says CVM VS10 mini flexible XY stereo right here, and you can see you can use it for a camcorder or DSLR, and I think that's pretty dope. So let's go ahead and open it up without any more waiting, because I'm gonna hook this up to my Note 10 right now so we can check out the sound quality. Now inside of here we're getting the mic, which is actually like really compact and really small. We also do have a little thing right here which is going to work as like a filter for the mic right there. And then we do have a user manual right here, which is going to give you some instructions if you're in need of that. This was to keep it fresh, and then we do have a warranty instruction. Now let's go ahead and open up this contraption or device and take a look at it in some more detail. Now let me just see something here. We have a microphone right there in the front, and then another one right here on the other side 3.5 millimeter headphone jack, and then a swivel which can move 90 degrees right here. So I think that's pretty cool. Let me try to like move this. Oh yeah, it moves that way 90 degrees. And then you can talk this way into it, so it's gonna capture me speaking just like this. So my Note 8 has a 3.5 millimeter headphone jack. I'm gonna plug this thing into it, and then I'm gonna talk, and you're gonna hear the difference. So make sure you stay locked in, and I'll see you right after this. Okay, peace. What's going on, guys? All right, so when you're on a cell phone, you have to download this app called Open Camera, which I'm using right now. And you can go to the settings, and you could go to the drop down, go to video recording, and you click external mic. So that's what I did. So I'm gonna talk a little bit right into the microphones right now and let me know if that sounds good or not. And then I'm just gonna talk a little bit further away. Can you hear me right now? I just turned all the way back. I'm still on my Note 8 from Samsung, so I just want to see how the distance is right here, because sometimes I don't like to lean forward just so you can hear me. But shout out to Comica. I definitely appreciate them for sending out their Type-C and their 3.5 millimeter headphone jack external microphones, because I had to keep switching between the adapters. Now that I have two, I could just hook up both microphones now. So I really appreciate these guys. Wow, they must be really watching my videos and seeing me struggle. But thank you for staying locked in with me. You guys are the real ones, 100%. And if you think that these microphones sound good, leave a like button down below. Also hit the bell icon so you can check out more videos just like this, and subscribe and get notified. But in the meantime, have a great morning, afternoon, evening, and depending on where you are, have a great night. Peace.